Hi, welcome to FluxBuilder, a drag-and-drop app builder that creates mobile apps for your website on both iOS and Android. We receive many questions about how to apply a coupon on FluxBuilder. Let's see all the steps. First, log in to FluxBuilder. If you do not have an account, sign up for free with your email. Then create your app. You can input this information or update it later. Select your platform. Click the Run Troubleshoot button to check the connectivity. You have created your own app. Now design your app UI and configure app features. You can build an app demo to check your app UI on your phone. Now let's see how to subscribe or apply a coupon. Enter your coupon code here. That's all. Let's subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get new videos for free. Thank you.